Hello everyone, let's talk about Leetcode 1768 problem, merge strings alternately. How does it work? We have a word 1 and word 2 with the same length. From word 1 we will get A, from word 2 we will get B, then B, then Q, then C, then R, and lastly merge it will be in this order: A, P, B, Q, C, R. What if we have a different length? Word 1 has a 2 length and there is a 4 length. In this case, we just get A, then P, then B, then Q. We just reached its length, so we just skip it and append last 2 elements. We have this. What if word 1 length more than word 2 length? We will repeat the same process. We get A, then P, then B, then Q, then C, then we check, we reached its length, so we just skip it. We get a C and D, and we have a result.
First, we initialize an empty string named merged. This will hold our final result. Next, we iterate through the characters of the longest word using a for loop. In each iteration, we add a character from word 1 if we haven't reached its end, followed by a character from word 2, again checking its length. This alternating pattern continues until we've processed both strings completely. And lastly, we will return the merged string of characters.